Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you an awesome cheat that I thought was really awesome and has helped me in several fights. So I'm just going to show you, I do not have any Queen Muralok, like roast or whatever the heck it was in my inventory. You can look, this will be for later. I do not, well as far as I'm concerned I don't. Well I have some, right? I have 6, okay? So I have 6 of that. Yeah, that's all I have. And I'm going to be showing you an awesome cheat. So, you want to have any kind of cooking thing, anything you can cook anything in, basically. And you can go down to mole rat. You just need to take out some mole rats, get like some mole rat meat, and you can do this. You have to, it's hard to do sometimes, you have to, let me see. Yeah, okay. So you know how it's like that? It's on Muralok Queen steak, but it says it's gonna take and make mole rat chunks, but it's not gonna do that. See, look at the corner, Muralok Queen steak 2 added. And then you can do that as much as you want. It doesn't use the mole rat chunks. See, I only have 5, and then look, it's not using any of it. And I'm just making more and more. I was running low on those. And then you can go, and then this is also a way to get a lot of caps, because you can go and sell these for a bunch of money. And it's basically getting free caps.
To everyone, except you. Well, I suppose we can do business.
Let's see what you have.
A bit of everything.
Okay, so now I can go and sell all this for 1,100 caps for 20 of that. I mean, she doesn't have that much, so. Boom. Cleared out her entire inventory for 3 mole rat chunks. So, took out all her caps, and now I have 1,100 more caps. This is an awesome cheat that anybody can do, although you might want to do it fast before an update and they might patch it, so. Yeah, it's an awesome cheat. I don't know how they let it slip, or if it's just like, I don't know. But, anyways, thank you for being with me on this cheat video here. See you later.